Hey, this is Mike with Riding in the Ozarks, where we talk riding, rallies, gear, and wrenching. Today we're going to talk about our 500 subscriber giveaway basket and how you could win it. Alright, we've been out collecting some swag. I got a free t-shirt donated by Plug Ugly's Custom. We're going to show you about that little adventure. We picked up some shot glasses, some poker chips. I got some stickers from Riding in the Ozarks, and the first one I send out in the mail is going to the winner of the 500 subscriber giveaway basket. I've also got some other motovlog channels sending me some stickers to include in the basket. So let's show you what we've picked up so far and how you can win it. Let's see what these boys are up to. Did she tell you what I was out here for? Swag for the 500 subscriber giveaway. So I thought maybe I'd do like one of your t-shirts, get a sticker. Do you have an extra large in the new one? Probably not. See, you jump here. We're in between. So I'm out here at Plug Uglies today. I always try and pick up something for them when I'm looking for giveaway stuff. And as Corey is modeling here, kind of. This is their newest design on their t-shirts. This is Plug Ugly's Customs. So, what do you guys, here, straighten that out for him. Let's make him look good now. So, tell everybody about your shop and how long you guys have been doing this, where you're at.
Been open 5 years. 5 years, yeah. Do every kind of service work, mainly concentrate on Harley.
Audio, paint, pinstriping, airbrush work.
Custom paint and audio is kind of our
lighting
specialty.
Well, I'll show them, I'll flash in a picture now of the front of my bike that you airbrushed for me. And we did a video on the Street Reaper. I'll throw a link to that in the video up above so people can go check that out and see that airbrushing. But do some amazing paint work. And I had somebody the other day complimenting my LEDs. I hit the brake up at Jay's shop. There was a guy in there. Yeah. And he's like, "Oh man, that is cool, the way it lights everything up red." I'm like, yeah, they got an LED set they put on bikes that when you hit your brake, it lights the whole bike up red with the LEDs every time you brake, so it helps make you more visible at night.
That's right, can't be too safe.
Do a quick scan of the stuff that I just painted.
Yeah. I got a t-shirt donated and some stickers. So now we're going to go to another place, see what we can find there. Do not open. Huh? Do not open the cooler.
Hello.
How are you? Good. All right. Live to ride Route 66. Shot glass with motorcycles on it. We can. I thought it was pretty cool.
That is neat.
I kind of think so too. Alright, I'm going to spend 7. I might as well spend 10 and get something neat.
Is this your first time in our store?
I've been in here several years ago, but it's been a while. I know Scott.
Oh, okay.
I bought my first motorcycle with my own money from Scott. His Honda Shadow. Back in, been about 91 or 2.
My.
So I'm going to go ahead and cut this video off now. I'm still going to be collecting poker chips and stickers and anything else anybody wants to donate or send to me for the giveaway basket. But we broke 450 subscribers tonight, so I decided it was time to get this video posted. If you want to win the gift basket, you need to comment in YouTube what size shirt you wear in men's sizes, because I'm going to buy a t-shirt from Ozarks Harley-Davidson in a men's size to whatever size the winner comments. So that's all you gotta do. Comment on this video what size shirt you wear in men's, and after I hit 500 subscribers, I will randomly pick one of the subscribers to win. I'll then contact you back through the post and give you a way to reach out to me and let me know where to send your gift basket. Good luck, and thanks for your support. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you do that YouTube thing, subscribe down below. Hit that bell to be notified next time I drop a new video. And as always, stay safe and keep on riding.